How's it going? Today I want to talk about this steamer. Now this steamer is kind of awesome because it has tons of attachments. What I mean by that is it's not just a single thing, right? You have extender arms so you can be kind of far away from the action, or if you want to get up close and personal, you can see it's got this handle right here and you can just fit your smaller fittings on there and you can really get into it. Now the way this works is you can put it on either way. It's got two ways. You hold down this yellow button here and then you just push it in place, and you can see we have more of like a flat blade plus holes at the top and bottom where the steam will come out. Now in order to get this going, you want to make sure you put the correct water in there. You just don't want to overflow it basically. It's got this little cup here with measurements on the side, and then you have a nice little funnel to make sure that you're not going to spill this thing. And it's nice. It has a long plug to it. So you can see I have so much cable right here. It fits into a normal 120 outlet. And when you fire this up, you want to make sure that you are in position to do the work you need to do. Now, this can be good for bathrooms, showers. It could be also good for things that you may not think is. So say you have like a stain in a carpet, or maybe you have a vehicle that you want to clean up. Maybe it's gunky. Maybe it's around like the rims where that brake dust starts to build up on. This thing can definitely handle it. It's extremely powerful. It's got some wheels here at the bottom, and it has a couple safety features as well. So one of the things is going to be like this little mitten. So if you're kind of handling something where you need to hold it as you steam it, you have this here. You have a carrying case. You have more of like a scrub brush. So these have like the kind of stiff plastic bristles, and you just fit this in however you want. We also have other attachments here. So you have more of like the metal tip one. This can be more for like your machines and things like that. So more tougher items rather than more soft items. If you want to go for a softer item, you may want to go with some of these more delicate brushes. I like how they have a lot of ones that have like these rubber blades almost. So if you are trying to just clean up maybe some adhesive, maybe it's like somewhere outdoors or indoors, a lot of different ways you can handle this. You can see this is where the arms are extended. So this is like a 3-piece extension so that you can have this really far away and the steam will just travel all the way down to the end. If you want to get it a little closer, you can kind of just take this off. Everything fits in really nicely as far as how it attaches. You can quickly change. When you have this end here, you go ahead and just kind of twist this on. So you want to make sure you get the ones that fit properly. Certain ones will fit certain attachments. These are ones that are going to be a little too big on that, but you can go ahead and put on the other ones that'll fit. So just trying to kind of get my bearings on which ones fit on this one. And it looks like this one's going to be for the actual brush here. So this is a particular attachment for that brush. You can also twist this around so you can kind of get different angles. And then if you want to remove it, you just pull it straight off. Now, say I want to go with some of these smaller attachments, you just pull this out, put this one on. This one's got the skinnier tip end and it has 2 little plastic tips. These are gonna be for your attachments like this. So you can see how I twist and lock it. Now I have this, bristle. This is like a wire bristle with the steam coming out in the middle. Really nice if you have something like an old mower or an old vehicle, something where you just need to clean up and actually scrape off debris. This is going to be perfect for that. Heat and steam make things a lot smoother getting off rather than trying to use just straight water. This is going to be a huge improvement on that. Overall, it's not only a great gift, but it's an awesome tool that has many different ways it can be used, and it can really make an impact when things are really dirty.